Hi everyone, as promised we are going to learn financial accounting by solving problems, and the very first step to do this is to record journal entries. Journal entries are the building blocks for any type of financial statements, and as you learn them you will understand that we are going to build a library which you can use over and over again. As an example, we are going to see how a journal is entered when owners invest in a company, and we are going to see these types of transactions over and over again. So without further ado, let's get started. In this example, we have a company, Smith & Sons, launching professional services firm on January 2nd. The firm will prepare financial statements by month end, but we need to start recording transactions into two accounts first, and then we will prepare the balance sheet and income statement. The first transaction we are going to record is when an owner invests into the company cash. The Smith invests in the company $200,000 in cash. The way we are going to record this is we are going to increase cash by $200,000, and we are going to increase owner's equity by the same amount. So as I mentioned in the introductory video, the assets is going to be equal to liabilities plus equity, and the debit balances, which is cash in this case, is going to be equal to the credit balances, which is under equity $200,000. Let's look at a case where a company purchases $30,000 worth of property and equipment in cash. For the second transaction, cash is going to decrease by $30,000. Property and equipment, in short PP&E, is going to increase by $30,000. So this is when you record, when you buy a specific property or equipment in cash, this is the type of transaction that you need to record. For now, I'm going to solve this in T accounts, but you can also do it as journal entry. And what you are going to do in the first example is you are going to record cash, that's a debit for $200,000, and then we are going to have owner's equity increasing by the same amount, and this time it's going to be a credit entry increasing by $200,000. So these are the first two transactions that I want to cover. Again, the purpose is to build library of transactions, and once you have this library, it's going to take some time. It will take some exercise on your part, but once you are familiar with these transactions, it's going to be just a repeat of these transactions. In the next video, I'm going to solve the other journal entries, starting with journal entry number 3.